Van den hier gaat kaal gamosten se skienige aan een doelak. Han je mis me gekreten. Ga begonnen in week leven zal dat ding aan jou nou. Har wat die toch kan ik het trots wie så nu dat hier net maar.
Schon hier door han ik volles. Gierige uavasig se va ekar as a vore vashin sin greime wachgesen ha vore goede ekar of a tachert. Ha we smenjenach garo shorte jeenperach ach ha vornach kan het gere rieren woonde sul ekar aan de lonning. Ha vore duskig ha kuinig en ha Al Capone stynje morsin, ha vornach roi gemoor sin.
An se goest, ga hem fein njochentach.
Wa wo verwoogmaake, agus vdiest, dat huide gara vek na polis ben fienish en je nui. Ga brunga fienish en je nui vek wek dunge rompe, agus wat de kummer van was genoeg, agus morsin, hoegt ha hooj ek na polis ben as an Old Bailey.
Can you tell me why, during the trial, you didn't give evidence?
Well, we was advised by legal people not to give evidence.
Why was that?
Well, the law of this country is well established. The onus is on the prosecution to prove its case. Counsel for these two men and the third defendant were quite satisfied in their own mind, as I in my own humble way was as well, that the prosecution had not proved their case, and there was no obligation on these men to go and make any answer to any of the allegations against them.
A lot of people have got the impression from this trial that Clubland, London, is very tough. Do you think it is? You run a couple of clubs.
Well, in all clubs you get an occasional drunk, you know, and sometimes they have to be slung out, and that's why there's doormen and that, but I suppose it's like Clubland all over the world, really. It's just the same as... I don't suppose it can be that bad, as people won't go to them, really, would they?
Och ruta van jongerig bij jou, wanneer nightclub zaken, agus van veel waar toch erop, kopjes televisions wat misschien naar rondmaken, wie gaan toch in de clubs zoals eens, toch al kies, kosana, goed haren je gewiet al kon lezen het doen je zien agus, je ruta jongerig, maar had doen je toch wel even met zo'n beel fakkelbeel gaan gaan sexy. Gule tot gaan je soort urm of gaat de fijn soort de buzz wie kon er iets doen je kon er toch als je veel doen je kon er toch woonte.
What are you going to do now that it's all over?
I like to have a bit of family life now, you know. I intend to get married in the near future. I did before this case, but it's put back over the case, and let's get married as soon as possible, you know.
Ronald, what are you going to do now?
Well, I'd like to go abroad for a short while, and then I'd like to be left alone.
Ba television na de hín chun na Hillanen mu 1963, agus dá bblionna a station bhair táiseach go fás gema cumanta. Ma naim seo gai skippe bó television na halape go rice pennevilde, a dhéking déviach go bheith duine a nynja.
You can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. You can bring a television set up here to the islands, but you can't make it play.
Harutyn son television ni. Because I kind of use fit me show gra kujo ma na hut med ma hin krum to gan television. I guess now you television, you chick television is shech and ya show I guess. Well, he comes to gan television son shemaraketin house mo shuna da show televisions, I guess. Hur med television. I guess filmig ajo an mias na ga harutyn me rajen heya ken va ha miljoner hade vi kommit television som ma hade hin. I guess now wasn't blue na gas station na the force me I guess ik me ruimen television kan hij van je me gulo gas station. Harutyn var ook a jeuter in television gamorgen se jeuter in hena.
Good afternoon to you, sir. I'm from Scottish television.
Poetry?
Actually, I've come to ask you if you would like the idea of having television.
No, my days are over for television.
The days are over for television?
My days are practically over for everything.
I wouldn't believe that.
No, but I feel it.
Agus bha chuid mhór gan na sé daon wasin bhd in television. Son sé einal fúmhaach modan a bhain svádáir gin siid svádáir in seo. Ach man bha cúsin agan sa msúna bha cúsin a sé chlú futbeút a hain gojoch. In was gin hánig a duine fá déh sin gin mastánig é. So sa msúna bhain television agan in wasin a mismine.
All right, don't run away. I just want to ask you a question. I'm afraid that is the one that did get away.
Well, an dói gón sa bha támateach. Sga nir bhesin dó chéli daine. Charú féin chom bríon rú ma dhéon. Said charú mihins me bheit dúil charú sin dul suasach tíoch trip as a bblionna. Agus bheit géirí son féin neochgan na bheit dult agus sin rud a bhíh códarm sa dul suas gachéiliús géisteach an scialach an na dói bethe bhacha. Agus nar a hánig an television, charú féin chom bríon ma dhéon gráicin sin bheit dul isteach sa suú s bhain televisionéir. Nis nid an Indonesian far a bhesin fás suas, géir suasa. Nid bha cwtig yn y tynnisteach, fas ni cwriau yn television. Na mi cwtig yn y tynnisteach a ceili, a chad a hachar sy'n ysgol an nidr.
Hello. You ever seen a television set?
No.
You never have? Well, allow me to introduce you.
Oh, man, I've no time to wait for that to do.
You've no time to waste on television.
This is closing.
Oh, I'm not selling it.
No?
No. I'm just asking you if you would like television in the islands.
Oh, yes, we are. Look first.
Well, at least you can say that you've seen the television set. It's a bit complicated.
Yes. Oh, yes. It's good, right enough. Well, do you think it is coming to the island? Is it coming to you?
Oh, yes, I think it will come in time.
Oh, well, that's good.
Ha cawach nid a hoesig ni neochgan yn television. Fa cailioch ys deich lys yn teolach eich. Agus fa chwlw dyn y brian ti Michael. Agus hwrdi. Nach istw. Nach y lys gan yn y brian. Sy'n rwyd yn y chordrym sy'n sgialach gan mor sen. Agus a colach gyrw cailioch anil midol y grac o a cater o iach. Gyrw i gadresig I hyn yn ardeg sial. Said charw'n television y tos yn go siawd yn fesgyd. Agus, fa eisiau gadresig I hyn, fa I gyrru fi chosbadol yn y dyni fer yn television.
Have you ever heard of Ina Sharples?
Pardon?
Ina Sharples?
No.
Doesn't mean anything to you?
No.
Elsie Tanner? Coronation Street?
No.
When was the last time you saw television?
I've never seen a television in my life.
You've never seen it?
No.
Would you like to?
I would love to.
Well,
I did see it.
You did see it?
Yes, in fact, I was on television.
Were you?
Yes.
Well, you'll be on again.
I was in London, you know, at a working party, you know.
Yeah.
The Shrink of the Tweed.
Oh, yes.
It was Alan Lomax that was in charge. He was from Texas.
Now, do you think television would be good for the island?
Well, I think it would be very good. Uh-huh.
What do you think?
Oh, I think it would be very good and a very good pastime during long winter nights.
Help! I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need somebody.
Gain y Beatles go lwcharst Buckingham gos dŵas yn MBE ein. Wrym y fa gyma caws ba joch ag yn awn.
Channy mae sio bwlwch cyn drach gyda chor gaif y fi ddau'n ar o gael o bech o masinwch ac yw'n sbad ys as o'n y drwg eich yna ys o'n rwyd o masinwch. Sbasyn y tosti afai yn loi cris, sbasyn o'ch ffosgwch doris gan loi cym yn ias yna ni synia. Ha yma doch dyn eithaf gydwyl i hadyn nhw oped yn volta nach dwyt dwyt lief.
Fa amas o'r sgag nach rwyd dyn rief fe clwch nhw sein ar dŵl ar y ffain MBE. Fo grien y spyr gosona fe edson fod mahed. A gein am gosona fe edson y ffain sio. Dyda rainiad. Fe said y son syrifas y son yn dŵhig. Ach charw dyn y ffain MBE sach dyn y fan y sŵl politics. Fe mi cant yn hwgad y stiach tor arag gan yn dŵhig. Sy'n ysgadach am ysmych yn nŵedd a dan hosioch.
Smwyd ich wrth yn yr un as yn dy ieget.